Okay, here we are back in my kitchen. You know I love to bake, and I have friends coming over tomorrow night for dinner. I'm gonna make this amazing caramel apple cheesecake bars. It is very time consuming, so I'm making it tonight for tomorrow night, and has lots of steps, and I'm gonna show you how to put it together. No judging. There's a lot of butter and a lot of sugar in this recipe. So I think it's gonna come out great. I hope you enjoy watching me put it together. Now that we have all of our fillings made, I'm gonna do the build.